Pak Elektron Limited gives a smart solution for upgrading your air conditioning system. PEL Logix USB makes your air conditioner smarter to maximize your comfort. Installation and configuration of PEL Logix USB in your AC is very simple. For installation, just open the AC front lid and install your smart device in USB port. In case your air conditioner does not have a USB port, kindly check the other options explained in separate tutorial for installation procedure. After successful installation, next step is configuration. Open Google Play in your mobile phone. Make sure it is connected to internet. Search for PEL Logix in Google Play and install it. After complete installation, open the application PEL Logix. Click on Sign Up to start configuration. Configuration contains 4 very simple and easy steps. First step, user account registration. Second step, device connectivity with your home or office Wi-Fi router. Third step, selection model of your air conditioner. Fourth step, defining the location on map where you have installed your air conditioner so you can enjoy geofencing feature. For complete functionality and comfort, you need to complete all these 4 steps. Okay, now let's start the configuration by pressing the button Let's Start. First step is signing up. You can sign up with your existing Facebook account or your Google account. Or you can fill your details in this page. Okay, let me fill my detail. Now press Sign Up. It will create your account on the cloud, and now with this email ID and password you can be able to control your air conditioner from other smartphone or web page. Second step is the connection of your smart device with your Wi-Fi router. Select your PEL Logix device from the list displayed in this screen. Select the Wi-Fi router with whom you want to configure your device. In my case, PTCLBB is the name for installed Wi-Fi router, so I will select it and enter the password required for connection. After successful pairing of your smart device with your Wi-Fi router, you'll see green tick on second step and will go to third step. Third step is selection of your air conditioner model. Select suitable icon for your AC and also name it. For selection of your AC model, there are 3 different methods available in application. Scanning of barcode pasted on indoor or outdoor warranty card. You just need to scan only one of these barcodes. You can also type it manually. Or you can also select the model of installed air conditioner for provide list in the application. I have installed 1.5-ton PEL Inverter Pro heat and cool model in my office, so I will select this model from the list. Fourth step and last step is identifying of your office location on the Google map. This is my office location, so I will continue with this location. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the configuration process. Now press Get Started button.